Welcome back, kids. Today we are going to learn English grammar. Here, module number 8. Okay, now in this module, we will see dictation. It's word dictation. Then, vocabulary. In the vocabulary section, we will see word related to school. Then, grammar section. In this grammar section, here is simple present tense and then simple past tense. After that, there will be writing section, and in this section we will see draw and write on a topic. And there is last section, picture reading. In the picture reading, we will see picture 1 and picture 2. And by observing this picture, we will answer the questions. Okay. Now, here is first section, dictation. This is exercise number 1, word dictation. Now here is first word is, you have to write there, rice. R-I-C-E, rice. Then second word is cart. C-A-R-T, cart. Third word is tie. T-I-E, tie. Then shop. S-H-O-P, shop. Fifth word is horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. Sixth word is peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. Then parent. Seventh word is parent. P-A-R-E-N-T. Then last word 8, money. M-O-N-E-Y, money. Okay. Now here is vocabulary section, and there are some words. These words are school related words. Okay. Now we can see a picture. What is here? Here is a classroom, and there are things which we can see in our classroom. Okay. What is there? Here is a board, duster, cupboard, table, pencil, bag, book, desk, ruler, and chair. Okay. Now these all things we can see in our classroom. We go to school almost every day, and there are many things which we carry to school or see at school. So these are the things, or these are the words which are related with school. Okay. Now look here. Here are again few more words which are related school. Here is a test. Then school bus, classmates, bell, teacher, and principal. Okay, these words also related school. These are school related words. Okay, so this is vocabulary section. Now we will see exercise number 2.1. Circle the words that are related to school. Okay, now we will see these words. What is here? Bed sheet. Is it a school related word? No. Then desk. It's a school related word. So circle this word. Desk. Okay. Then PT teacher. This word also circle it. It's school related. Okay. Then kitchen. Is it related to school? No. So don't circle it. Then fifth word is car. This is also not. And then bell. B-E-L-L. Bell. We can circle this word because bell word is related to school. We can see school bell in our school. Yes or not? So circle this bell. Now exercise number 2.2. Find words related to school in the word search below. Okay, so use the words in the box to help you. Now first word is here, school. Now search for school. Look here, SCHOOL, school. Then book. Now find it. Where is book? Look here, BOOK, book. Okay, now third word is blackboard. Find out where is blackboard. Look here, BLACKBOARD, blackboard. Then fifth word is teacher. Fourth word is teacher. So where is teacher word? Find out. Look here, TAECHER, teacher. Okay, now next, student. Where is student? Now here is S. So STUDENT, student. Okay, then classroom. Find out the classroom word. Look at here, last row, CLASSROOM, classroom. Okay, now last word is lesson. Where is lesson word? Look here, LESSON, lesson. Okay, so you should circle these words in your workbook also. Now we will see the grammar section. Here is simple present tense. First we will read the paragraph. Okay, so look here. Rihanna and her parents get up early in the morning. Rihanna waters the plants in her garden. She also puts the pots in a line. Her father cuts the leaves from the tree. Rihanna and her parents love their garden. Now here is a one girl, Rihanna, and we can see that here are some words which are dark. Okay, so the words in bold, there are the words which in bold. Okay, so all these words are doing words. What are these? Doing words. Doing words means action words. Okay, so here they are talking about actions, and that actions which we do every day or very regularly. Okay, these actions which we do regularly. Now they are talking about these actions. In this paragraph, Rihanna do these actions regularly or every day. Okay, we will see the next here. When the doing word or a sentence tells us about actions that are action words or doing words. Okay, and which words tells us about actions that we do regularly or daily, as Rihanna. Okay, and this sentence is in simple present tense. We can write this sentence in simple present tense. If we want to show the actions which we do regularly, that time we have to use simple present tense. Okay, now look here. Here are some examples. Here is team plays football every day. Now team play the football every day. So here the actions of regular action. So here is simple present tense. This is regular action or daily action. So here is simple present tense. Okay, now fish live in water. It's a regular action. So here is fish live in water. It's a simple present tense. Now again third box. Here is they go to church every Sunday. Now it's not a daily action but a regular action. What? Every Sunday. They go to church every Sunday. This is regular actions. So here also simple present tense means which actions we do regularly or daily, that time we have to use simple present tense. But remind that do not add s or es to action words that came after I, we or you. Okay. When you write the sentence of simple present tense, that time don't add s or es to action word after the I, we and you. Okay. But you can add s or es to the action words that follow he, she and it, and singular naming words means if you use singular naming word or he, she or it, that time you have to add s or es as per the doing or action words. You have to add s or es to the action word. Okay. For example, he goes to the park every day. Here is a he and the go is action word, so we add here es. He goes to the park every day. Okay. Now she lives in that house. He, she, it. You have to add s to the action word. Look, listen the example. She lives in that house. In that house. So we add s here to live action word. Okay. Now Rahul comes here in the morning. Rahul is a singular name. So we add s here to come word. Come is an action word. And we add s here. Means you can add s or es to the action word when it follow he, she or it. Okay. Now next here. Now here is simple past tense. So look here. Here is a paragraph. Now we will see it. What is this? We visited Delhi in May. The city was very hot and my sister and I played in a park. We stay with our aunt and uncle there. Now this paragraph, what is here? Here also some words are bold. These words are dark. Why it's dark? Because the simple past tense talk about actions that happen yesterday or last week or last month or many years ago. So we use this simple past tense and these action words shows simple past tense here. So these are bold. Okay. Now visited, was, played and stayed. These words shows simple past tense. Okay. In the simple past tense, we use the past tense form of doing word. For example, here is I studied for my exam. Now look here, studied. It shows simple past tense. Or he liked to study. Liked. Here is ed to action word. Liked. L-I-K-E-D. Okay. So this is also simple past tense. If there is a simple present tense, they watch a movie. This is a simple present tense. But the simple past tense of this word, they watch a movie. Now we have to add here ed. Okay. This is past tense form. The watch is W-A-T-C-H. It's a present. We use this in present tense. But W-A-T-C-H-E-D, it's a past tense form. Okay, of the watch word. Now the past tense forms of most action words are made by adding D or ED or IED. Means when we add D or ED or IED to the action words, that time we got past tense form of the action word. Okay, in most action words that end in y, means which word end with y, we change the y to ied. Okay, now for example, try, try, try. Then we make a past tense form of try is tried, tried, tried. Okay, and cry, cry, so it's cried. The past tense form of cry is cried. Try, tried, means which action word end with y, that time we make a past tense form by change the y in ied. Okay, now in the simple past tense, is and am change with was. In simple present tense we use is or am, but in a simple past tense there will be was. Okay, and when we says are in a simple present tense, that time if we want to transfer in simple past tense, that time we use where, means is am is in simple present tense, but if we want to make past tense, that time we use was. And are is simple present tense, but in a simple past tense we have to use where. Okay, now look here. Here is exercise number 3.1. Underline the action words that are in the simple present tense and circle the action words that are in the simple past tense. What is here? Circle the action words which are in simple past tense. Now we find out which are simple past tense and which are in simple present tense. Okay, so look here. I eat dinner early, so it is simple present tense, so here is underline. Okay, now second sentence. I live in that house many years ago. Now look here, live is an action word and here is a ed, means it's a past tense form, so circle the lived, lived word. Okay, then here is third sentence. The birds sing every day. Now the birds sing every day, it's a regular action, means it's simple present tense, so only underline the sing word. Okay, now fourth is Ali drinks milk in the evening. Now it's also simple present tense, so only underline the drinks. Then fifth, she washed her hair with shampoo last Sunday. Now we can see that ed to the action word, means it's a past tense form, so circle it word wash, washed. Okay, then sixth sentence, Ravi finished his homework quickly last night. Now here is a ed, a simple past tense form, so circle the word finished, finished. Okay, now we will see the next exercise. What is here? Look at the picture, given picture. Fill in the blanks with action words in the simple present tense. Use the words box for hints. Now one is done for us here. First sentence we can read it. Little Zuzu watches TV with his parents every evening. His mother dash for a company. Now which word we can fill here? Work. His mother work. Here you have to write work word, work, work for a company. And his father is a what? Teacher. They dash cartoons. What? Watch. They watch cartoons. So you have to write here WATCH. Okay, so you have to write here watch. Then Zuzu's father dash dash popcorn to eat. What's the fill in the blank? Zuzu's father makes popcorn. So you have to write here MAKES, makes. Then they dash dash the popcorn together. What? Eat. They eat popcorn together. EAT, eat. Then they also dash dash fruit juice as they watch TV. Now fruit juice is there, so here is drink. DRINK, drink. Okay, so you should also fill the blanks, okay, with these words. Then here is exercise number 3.3. Read what Amit did yesterday and write what he did using the simple past tense. Okay, now here we will use simple past tense forms of action words. Now answer is here. Amir had a lot of fun yesterday. He learned. Yeah. Now here you have to write learned. LEARNED. This is the past tense form. Okay. Then how to bake a cake. क्या सीखा है उसने? केक बनाना. Learned. Then he dash dash a chocolate cake. What? He baked. So write here BAKED, baked. Then he dash dash his. Now you have to write here called, CAAAD, called. He called his mother and dash dash her to taste his cake and ask her to taste his cake. Now you have to write here ask, ASKED, ask. Okay, you have to write here ask. Then she dash dash eat. She tasted it. So you have to write here taste. Now TASTED, tasted. And dash dash at him. What? And smile at him. So you have to write here smiled, SMILED, smiled. The cake was very tasty. Okay, now here is the paragraph which shows simple past tense. Okay, so you have to write these words which I has told you. Now write about 2 things that you did yesterday. Now this is homework. So you have to write here the things which you did yesterday. Okay, so you can fill it with that yesterday I played with my friend. Then your friend's name will be there. Okay, then yesterday I played with my friend Soham, or any name you can choose it, and complete my homework. And completed my homework means you have to add ed here to play and complete. Okay, so this is the past tense form. So you have to write this as a homework. This is your HW, means homework. Okay, now today we have learnt about simple present tense and simple past tense and some exercises also. Okay, I hope you understand this simple present tense and simple past tense. So your homework is fill this module 8 in your grammar book and solve exercises. Okay, from page number 32 to 36. So thank you. Bye.